Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to take a regular schmegular clear vase and turning it into this beautiful marble looking vase by painting it in the inside. So this is something I have been doing for years and I absolutely love it, and I'm really into the marble look right now, so I wanted to do that as a vase. So if you'd like to see how I do this, please keep watching. The ingredients, you are going to need some paint colors of your choice. So I use some white acrylic paint and some silver acrylic paint. And of course you can use more colors if you want more of a colorful look, but I just want two nice and simple. And you need a clear vase. I use a tall cylinder one, but you can use whatever size you want. And a plate or something to catch the paint. So step number one is you're going to pour your main color that you want the majority of the vase to look like. So I'm pouring white, and actually when I did this, I was a bit conservative in what color I was using or how much I was using. So I definitely recommend, this is a really small amount, I recommend putting double the amount that I did if you are going to do this project, because it's going to make it easier in the end to swirl the paint around. So definitely put a lot more than I did. So step number two is going to be pouring in slightly less of the second color. So you don't want to match exactly the amount you did of the first color, but you do want to have a little bit of the second color, but just not as much. So you can see I don't even have even actually quite a bit in there. It's just a little bit, because for the marble effect that I wanted, it had to be just a little bit. And then the next thing you want to do is just swirl the paint around in the vase and just keep rotating it. So you can see it has this marble looking effect already. And the one thing I really like about doing this is you just keep rotating all the way to the end. But the reason I really like this, a lot of people paint their vases on the outside, but then it can become crusty and fall off. Inside, it is so protected and it looks so good, and it'll last literally forever when you do this. I have other vases. I did a black and silver one 15 years ago. It looks exactly the same. Nothing chips off. And because it's in the inside, the vase, if it's glass, it definitely adds a beautiful shine and crisp finish. It never ages. So you can just see I just keep rotating and rotating and rotating. And again, I feel if you're doing this, definitely add more paint, because you can see I'm struggling in the end here to get that last little bit because I didn't add enough paint. So definitely add a lot of paint. Eventually I do take my finger and just kind of spread it around because I'm just too impatient to watch that go. So yeah, use the paper plate and let all of the paint come out. So you want to keep it like this, and you want to have this for overnight. So at the end of all this, I did get some paint on the outside, so I'm definitely wiping that up right now. But what you want to do as your last and final step is add this to the paper plate and let all the paint pour out for about 24 hours to 48 hours to let everything dry really, really well. So after you let it dry for 24 to 48 hours, this is what the inside looks like, and that's why I love painting them, because the inside looks absolutely gorgeous as well. So here is the final result of this project. What do you guys think? Do you guys love the look? I love actually how this looks. I think it looks so clean and chic and takes any regular old vase and really adds some beautiful texture and beautiful aesthetic to it. So I currently have these sitting by my TV in one of my living rooms. So this is what they look like. Before, I did actually have some clear vases sitting by the TV, but now this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, bye.